Hey everyone, I wanted to hop online and do a quick video based on my experiences so far of the prop trading. Now, the prop trading are an Australian prop firm with a website of theproptrading.com.au. They came to life March, April time this year with a very, if not industry leading offer in terms of their requirements for passing their evaluation program. And unfortunately, they came out of the blocks and almost messed it up a little bit with a bit of poor service here and there. They were too busy very quickly and couldn't keep up with that demand. I think maybe the first video with Blake Olson and then loads of demand from that. So ultimately, they've been working hard to try and return the way the ship's been pointing with their Trustpilot reviews, and they've been doing great work since. I left them a 5-star review a couple of days ago, and ultimately the reasons for that is I genuinely think their offering of 8% and 4% is super. 200K account, $799. That's a great offer. And ultimately, my dealings with their customer support and their emails have always been prompt enough, 48 hours, let's say. And I had my first payout last month, and so did 2 or 3 of our other traders. There will be more than that at the end of this month. And we've got one trader lining up with I think a 15 or an 18K deposit withdrawal using our EA. So super stuff. The other reasons being we've got no news restrictions and holding over the weekend. So in terms of comparing them to FTMO, and it's a higher profit split, yeah, of 80%. So it's cheaper. It's less of a target, there's no news and no weekend restrictions, and it's a higher payout. Now, clearly, at the beginning, people were skeptical, some negative reviews. When someone's new, have we seen payouts yet? But ultimately, the money landed in my bank, and so it did for all the other traders too. I'd made, I think it was just under 11,000, 80% of that, and then a GPP into my bank was just over 6K. So definitely a worthwhile return on investment there. And now I'm looking to scale with the prop trading, and we'll max out at the 500K soon. And yeah, so ultimately, I don't see any reason not to use them at all. I think it's a great offer in the market. And one of the things I think they could just do a little bit better is this managing expectations. So you're going to get a statement on the last day of the month. Well, I didn't, mine was the 2nd. So I think they could just learn a little bit by saying, look, your statement you will receive your statement from between the end of the month until like the 3rd or 4th. And if you haven't received it by then, let us know. But ultimately, when people are saying this is going to happen by then and it doesn't, this then means you then chase them and it creates them more work overall. So that's my only little bit of criticism moving forward. But other than that, a great proposition, great percentages, great rules. And yeah, we've been paid. So that's the main thing, right? So I hope that helps everybody.